camera.
Brilliant.
No, 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 come back.
Yeah, just
Oh, was hitting something, was
yeah, no lump.
Oh, that. Right, ready?
Yeah.
One. That is perfect.
Yeah. So target will go in there. Yeah. You filming?
Yeah, it's filming.
Right. You're up filming. Oh. Right. On my car, Max.
That.
Grab the fence.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah. I was saying you might have to go to that side.
That water. It's coming in. No, it's coming in now from that hole.
Yeah, and sitting on the tray.
It's sitting on the tray. So we've got a water leak. I knew it had one when I first had it. It's coming through the hole, running along, and we've got an indoor shower. Right. Next, we're moving out
Trolley jacket, that one.
the
Beige.
beige bug, ready for badchad challenge. So when he comes out, talk a bit more about it. So let's see that one starts and runs, and we'll see if we can get him out. See why this is a perfect candidate. Look at it out the front. Wow.
Still going there. Yeah.
Push start out.
Push start, don't forget. straight back in there. And then we've got the hydro bug in there. And then that can reverse it behind it. And then that one can push back. Or put this one over there, whatever. You want that over there, wouldn't you?
No, I may leave it on an angle there and put that one flat there.
Wherever you want it.
Just next to the garage.
Yeah.
What's that?
Right, remove that.
There you are, you mate.
Yeah. It's got up, is it?
Yeah, it's fine, no, we'll come back a bit.
Oh, mate, it's literally. Oh, that's fine. Literally, the number plate's bending. That's all that is. So as soon as you pull it this way, it should come off. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ready?
Right, that's in there.
Got to go forward. Reverse backwards.
Reverse back as much as you can where he is.
As he is on the lock.
Yeah. I reckon it'll be just as fucking quick. That's it. Lock him all the way down.
Ready, Max? Yeah.
Push it forward.
Push it forward, mate.
Push.
Yeah. He's in gear.
He's in gear.
Hold on. I think so.
That's better. Whoa. Right.
These bump stops are good.
Yeah.
Is it room?
Yeah. Might have to go forward again. Let's go back a bit first. Right, forward.
Yeah. What, full lock?
Keep on the lock, yeah. Full lock.
Right?
Yeah. Right. Locking the train forward.
What way do you?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's more shit like that.
Go forward.
Oh, forward?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then lock him straight in.
What, straight?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you might have to, yeah, a little bit of lock. That'll do. Tiny bit, just to get through. A little bit more actually.
What, towards me?
Yeah. No, the other way.
No, just a little. Right?
Yeah, it's literally.
We adjust them over in the morning.
Yeah. Going for moving that one back when you have to go back a bit.
You're going to touch it something in a minute.
Yeah. Is it? Keep straightening them up. Straighten the wheel up. Is it enough to clear?
It's all clear.
Yeah. Right.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's it.
That's enough then. Get that one in there.
All this for badchad.
Keep going. More. Another foot at least yet, mate. Whoa.
what?
That's that one in.
That is perfect.
Yeah.
Because it's not so high on the clutch now. I know I've got to sort out the water this weld here, and it's where it's coming in. I love this car. I've had a couple offers on it, so I'm still in my hand whether to sell it. What's the car? I love it. Absolutely love it.
Bargain
so
for someone.
That one in.
Yeah.
We pushed that one in. Jacked it over a little bit. He's back where he was last year. Everything's back where it was. All we got to do next is move this yellow bug to here, push it so it's back straight where he was.
Yeah.
And I'll drive out and forward, then we'll go through that. And Badchad, we're coming for you.
Push mine back out then. Well, I do think we probably want to turn it round, but not worried about it today. Getting bigger and bigger here, mate.
Right.
That it is. I'm going to pull this back out.
Just had a laugh with the battery. I turned the key earlier when we started to move it, and I thought it was a flat battery because the key done nothing, but I forgot it's a push starter button here. So what happens is they put a hot relay in the back because the ignition wire somehow is damaged going to the back. I forgot about that, so I put the second battery in. Right, here we go. Chad accepted the challenge, and this is the candidate to do my pickup. Now Chad's doing half a Beetle, half a camper van, so that's fine. And he's looking now, so I'll start gathering up the parts, jotting down pictures. And now it's out, I'm ready to jump on it whenever we get the go ahead. So you've seen there a bit of Tetris, but it filled up with water. As you can tell, these doors are gone. I've got replacement doors, don't worry about that. I've got new seals, but the water was coming in. There. So we'll talk more on this build when it happens. But as I said, I'll gather up the parts, jotting down a few ideas, come up with a couple today. So with that, I'm going to finish it here. Thanks to Big Al, out with Tetris, Max, help us push the cars. And yeah, hydraulics back in there. The carburetor horizon come around nicely, the clutch. Water coming through the front where it's got a hole in the front here. So I can weld that up, not a problem.
And this one can move freely.
That's it, we had the bare metal bug calipers stuck on. The actual pad was stuck, rusted to the disc. But that's the next one inside. But Badchad, I'm coming for you.